In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod ends on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. Loosen up the jam nut. Use a 22mm wrench. Just make sure that's loose. That's good. I'll take the nut off for the outer tie rod end. Use a 14mm socket. Take that off. Now you want to separate the tie rod from the knuckle. There is different types of front end tools you can use. I'm just going to use a hammer and give it a tap. Just pop it off. Now unthread the outer tie rod end, and you want to count the threads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write that number down somewhere. Now take the outer tie rod, get that lined up, and you want to count the threads going on, whatever that number you wrote down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Move the jam nut down and put the tie rod into the knuckle. Get the nut started. And using a pry bar, get underneath the tie rod. Just gonna put a little pressure on it and snug this down. Now torque this nut to 25 foot-pounds. That's good. And snug up that jam nut. You can torque that to 65 foot-pounds if you can get a torque wrench on there. Do the best you can. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.